Yoo-hoo! Hey guys, welcome back to another week's episode. Today we're going to be talking about 2-inch suspension lifts on the Pajeros. Now it's super exciting because I actually got my first sponsorship, which is from Direct Suspension. So thank you guys for fitting this kit for me. I'm super stoked. And yeah guys, I've been to Fraser Island so far and it handled extremely well. It's very comfortable and yeah, the quality is just superb. So thanks guys. Let's talk about the suspension because I reckon you guys need it as well because it's affordable, good quality, and it raises 2 inches. So what more do you want? Let's get into it. Alright guys, now I did see something here, so I reckon we might need to use it. You know what's coming up next? Let's do it. Just don't tell the boss. Alright, cool. So it has definitely come up a treat. As you can see, it's flexing there. Definitely more than a Land Cruiser 79 series. Just kidding guys. In terms of specs, so I went with the West Coast suspensions. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. I like the blue color scheme. Now it's 150 kilo in the rear and a 0 to 65 kilo in the front. And I also chose to put in a strut spacer, which is about 6 to 10 mil lift, which is not too bad, and it makes the car sit dead even. Alrighty guys, so when it comes to pricing, it's actually very affordable. Now it starts at $1,280 for lift kit supplied, and installed it's only $287 including a wheel alignment. That deal is until the end of Feb, $199 fitting without alignment, so make sure you jump on board before the end of the month to grab that awesome deal. So yeah, all up about $1,500 for a lift kit on a Pajero. It's really not too bad. So yeah, Pajero owners, this is your time to shine and to jump on board. It's really easy. What you need to do is jump on the website directsuspensions.com, and then all you do is search in the search bar Pajero, tap on that, filter lift kit, and then as you can see there's either EFS or West Coast. Just jump on the West Coast if you want to grab West Coast, and then there's some options there to select either if you have a petrol or diesel or a long wheelbase, short wheelbase, and then the load ratings. So yeah guys, I'm very stoked with it. It's been handling very well. As I said, I've been to Fraser Island. It's been super comfortable. I've been towing a camper trailer as well, and yeah, didn't even feel it. The car also didn't sag very much with the 150 kilo rear spring, and yeah, the car was loaded up. So another cool thing that really sets these cars apart is that they have a satisfaction and a perfect fit guarantee. So what they've told me is if there's any fitting issues or if there's any troubles at all, maybe the load rating is not comfortable for me or just not what I expected, I can just bring it back and they'll fix it up free of charge. So yeah guys, not a lot of companies do that. They'll make you pay for extra parts or for fitting hours, for labor and such things, but yeah, Direct Suspensions will look after you. So that's pretty cool. That's what ticked me over the box and said, yeah, okay, that would be awesome. So yeah, if you have any issues, basically you just come back and tell them what the problem is and they'll look after you. So that's pretty cool. Well, there you have it guys. That's the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for joining in. If you're after a lift kit, make sure to jump onto Direct Suspension's website and yeah, save a couple $100. Remember, it's only till the end of February 2022 where you can only pay $200 for fitting any sort of lift kit. So yeah guys, you're gonna save many hundreds of dollars, so make sure to jump on it. Also guys, in 6 months time I'll do another review on the suspension to make sure everything held up. There were no leaks, no problems, no anything. At the end of the day, I want to give you guys an honest review. I'm not just going to say yes to sponsors because they want to sponsor me. I want to make sure the products are actually good. End of the day, we all want to pay less for things, but you want it to last as well. But yeah guys, overall very happy with it. Been to Fraser, towed a camper trailer, So far it's very comfortable and haven't had any trouble so far. So yeah, thanks to Rex Suspensions. Make sure to check them out, and I'll see you in the next episode, guys. Peace out. Yeah.